Hello, small business owners. Are you ready to master effective project management for small businesses? In today's video, we'll explore essential strategies to boost your project management skills, ensuring success and efficiency in your endeavors. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences on project management. Let's get started with the content. Define clear project goals and objectives. Setting clear project goals and objectives is the first step towards success. Identify the desired outcomes, deliverables, and milestones, and communicate them clearly to your team and stakeholders. Plan and organize effectively. Thorough planning and organization are key to effective project management. Break down tasks, create a detailed project plan, and use project management tools to track progress and collaborate efficiently. Allocate resources wisely. Proper resource allocation is crucial for success. Assess human resources, equipment, and budget requirements, and optimize resource utilization to enhance productivity. Foster effective communication. Communication is fundamental in project management. Establish open lines of communication, provide regular updates, and address concerns promptly to ensure everyone is on the same page. Monitor progress and adapt. Continuous monitoring and adaptation are essential for staying on track. Review progress regularly, identify deviations, and be agile in adjusting your approach. Celebrate achievements and learn from challenges. Acknowledge milestones and challenges, rewarding exceptional performance, and learning from setbacks to enhance future project management practices. As we conclude, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. For payment solutions and more, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.